Welcome to this demo of Signeasy AI. Signeasy is a contract management company, and with the latest AI features, it helps both the sender and signer review the contract much faster. In this video, I'm going to show you how it works, and I will use the example of a SaaS agreement. So you can see that in the first page, there are some important details about this agreement, and it follows up with a lot of terms and conditions which go over 4 to 5 pages. Now let's send this for signature. In the first step, we're going to add signers. I've added a dummy email ID for John Doe, and I'm going to add myself as the signer from Signeasy. Let's proceed to the next step. In this step, we're going to add fields for both of these signers. Let's drop in the signature field, the name field, as well as a text field for title. And I'm going to do that same thing for myself. I'm going to drop signature, name, and text. All right. So the document at this point is ready to be sent out for signature. But as a sender, before I send this out, I want to make sure that all of the key terms, all of the clauses which are present in this contract are accurate. And I want to make sure that I understand all the details of this contract fully. And that is where the Signeasy AI Assistant kicks in. It starts off with a summary, which can give me, at a glimpse, a good overview of this contract. It states that this is a SaaS agreement between Acme Corp and Signeasy, goes on to list the amount and some important details. The sender can click on this button and the summary gets copied, which they can share with anyone. If I scroll down, I can see a lot of key terms like annual contract value, confidentiality, the contract duration, governing law, and so on. So all of these key terms help me make sure that all of the details are as expected. Like for example, I see that the payment amount mentioned here is 1,000, as you can see here, and you can even click on any of these go-to sources, a link to any of these key terms, and it takes you to that part in the contract from which this key term has been derived. Furthermore, the sender can go to the Ask section where they see some helpful questions to get them started, and they can click on any one of these and get an answer in real time, which you can see here that this 1 year is the initial service term, as mentioned. They can even ask any question manually. All right, once they've made sure that all the details are correct, they can safely send this document out for signature. Awesome. The agreement just got sent out for signature, and I can see that I am one of the signers. So now let's witness the experience from the signer side. Okay. As soon as the document loads for the signer, they're navigated to the part where they need to fill their information. Now I have filled in all my information and I'm ready to sign this document. But before that, I would like to read through all of these terms and conditions and understand what they mean and what I'm signing up for. But luckily, I have the Signeasy AI Assistant with me, because of which I can save a lot of time. As a signer, again, the summary gives me most of the details of this contract, and I can glimpse through the key terms for more specific details. I can even navigate to the Ask section and I can ask any question manually, like where is Signeasy based out of? And it gives me a response in real time. Signeasy is based out of Texas, as you can see here. So as you can see, in this way, the Signeasy AI Assistant can save a lot of time, prevent a lot of errors going back and forth, and overall creates this delight and increases productivity by a lot. It helps you get your contract signed faster. So that was it for the demo. Thanks a lot for watching.